video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro and graphics design in Adobe Photoshop. If you are absolute beginner and if you are looking to learn video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro and graphics design in Photoshop, then this is the perfect class for you. This is the beginner level class, so together me and you we will learn Adobe Premiere Pro from basic to advanced. This is the project-based class, so you will be able to apply your learned skill in real-time class project. You will learn from this class about every basic lessons of video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, and along with that you will also learn how to add text in video, leveling audio, color adjustment, cinematic effect, blur video, end credit, input LUT, green screen removal, text or image animation, video inside text, multiple video framing, Now let's take a look what you will learn in Adobe Photoshop. How to change the color of image, how to fix the lighting, adjust the color, how to remove object from image. We will cover the cropping and proper use of content hour fill, how to style your text with stroke, gradient, bevel, and emboss. We will learn how to create postcard using different shape and symbol. We will learn about the shadow, long drop shadow, along with reverse shadow, how to remove background, and we will have an interesting topic on selection and masking, that is text interaction. We will offer blur and filters with different type of blur effect like background blur, image blur, motion blur. We will learn about warp and distort, and we will create a dripping paint text effect in image using warp and distort, and we will also learn how to peel image in Adobe Photoshop. In retouching, we will learn how to fix skin, teeth, and eye in Adobe Photoshop, and we will cover the visual style like how to make 3D glass effect. We will learn how to fix old image. Finally, we will learn the advanced use of tool in Adobe Photoshop. I have given an exercise file along with this class so you can practice along with me during learning. During learning, if you face any problem, then you don't need to worry about it because I am always there for you to help you out. You just have to ask me the question and I am always ready to answer your questions. So let's start learning video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro together.